Like whatever you want, you can get it quick. You just holler at the people, tell them what you want, and you get it. There's no BS. It's just straight to the point. What do you want? X, Y, and Z. Pow. And they make it happen on site. We out here, man. Spontaneous Productions, man. Hola, como estás? All my goons worldwide. All my jefes worldwide. What up? All my muñeca linda. Ven aquí and dame besa. Chica de mis sueños. Girl of my dreams, you feel me? You gotta have that Poquito Espanol out here, man. You could really win if you got Poquito Espanol. Oh shit. Look, I almost died. Sorry. Now see, look, I almost died. You gotta be careful out here. 2 shrimp tacos, dos shrimp tacos. It's about 400 dentists out here in this hood. So you can get any kind of dental work you need done. International edition, what's happening? Spontaneous Production, all my goons, worldwide, God bless, tap in, one love, let's go, in effect, you know how we do, Viva la Mexico, Los Algodones, what up? Poverty like you never seen before, so it's the real hood out here. It's more safe, it's daytime, but it gets real at night. We're in the hood, you feel me? It's Baja, California, Los Algodones, Mexico. This is what it's like when you mob through the hood. So we in the hoods of Los Algodones. And it's real, man. I'm out here solo negrito in Mexico. With a motherfucking backpack on me and my band on me. So we gonna see what's happening. I know I'm kind of out of bounds right now, but it's all good though. We just living. Don't let the news scare you. He said, are you scared I'm gonna kidnap you? I said, fuck nah. Shit, I ain't worried about no cartels. I am the cartel. What's happening? I fuck with cartels. All my cartel goes, what up? So it's alright, man. Like, people look out for you, you feel me? Just hold your own, you're gonna be alright, man. Yo, it's so real out here. Look, they gave me directions, you feel me? I gotta go to the hotel, they gave me directions. So I'm about to be in the super hood. Straight up, I'm about to be in the motherfucking hood. So super cool mode, activated. Let's go. Spontaneous Production, straight up. You gotta have some motherfucking warrior heart to be out here. Shit, it's real out here, man. And so we gonna just get it cracking. I'm solo negrito. If they call you a negrito, that means a little black boy, but that means positive. But if they call you negro, that means nigger. That's a diss. So check for that. When they call you negrito or negro, straight like that. Damn, I went to the most hood shit. The most hood fucking hotel you ever seen in your life. I just went there and I couldn't get a room. It was booked. You can buy some sneakers out here. They got the sneaker store right here. The hood, Baja, California, baby. Look, goons drive around with no motherfucking hood on their cars. That's how hood it is. It's so hood they drive around with no hoods on the car. We in the motherfucking barrio, baby. Take a chance at life. Step out your comfort zone. Life might reward you for the bravery. No cap, I wish people were so nice like this in America. America would be a better place. America could learn so much from Los Algodones, Mexico. Customer service is A1 out here. Customer service is the greatest customer service like you never seen before. And I got a bag of some flight ass kush in my pocket for 20. Straight up, I got 3 grams of kush for $20 or some purple. This shit looks beautiful. Boom. We in effect today, $50 a night. Last minute, everything booked up. That's how it is out here. Got a bag of some flight. Look at that. That shit is flight, my goons. $20. That shit is flight. Look, purple. Yeah, purple out here for $20. $20 for some perp, you heard? I'm at the motherfucking hotel right now. Mobbing through, you know. About to hit that strip club, my goons. See what's popping with the mamacitas. Bad mamacitas. Bring them right back to the boom room, you heard? On the bumper, somebody left a motherfucking big ass bag of weed on the bumper of their truck. That's a big ass bag of weed. Should I take it, my goons? That bag is big. I ain't gonna fuck with it. I'm gonna leave it alone. I don't wanna get murked off by the cartel. Bad bottles of liquor. If you wonder why Dominicanos can outdrink everybody, it's because the store's full of nothing but liquor. Chicken burrito. $3. Authentic. See what's up with them spicy señoritas, de muñecas lindas. Ven aquí and dame beso. Chica de mis sueños. Negrito. Mi rey. That's your king. You feel me? Snowbird Alley. We call them snowbirds. All the white people, they come from far out to get dinner work done and leave. So I'm the only negrito in this town, you feel me? Real cool town, Los Algodones. Don't let the media scare you, don't let the news fool you. They love brothers out here too. So if you're a brother and you want to get love from the Latinas, come out here, they will love the fuck about you. Straight like that, you know, straight like that. And if you got a fit body, you're really killing it. In the boom boom room. Yo, they got baddies in here, I got a crack it. Got a crack it in the boom boom room. Can't be recorded in the boom boom room, but I got a crack it. Baddies in Mexico, baby. Woo! The baddies in there tonight. Yeah, the best of the baddies in Mexico in there tonight. Yeah, we active tonight, and I got a baddie on the way to my room right now. I'm doing the most. Man, I'm loving Mexico, man. What's happening? Hey, yo, no cap, yo, the ladies is just straight up like, just straight, can't keep their motherfucking hands off me. The ladies got me on just super goon charged up mode. The ladies got me charged up out here like, damn. They be just straight fondling a goon, I'm telling you. The ladies, they treat you so good out here. They, especially if you're black, oh my God. If you're black, it's a wrap for you. You're about to get all the ladies. If you're black, you're gonna get all the ladies out here. I'm telling you, it's real like that. It is fucking real like that. It's all good, it's all love out here. Viva la Mexico, baby. Viva la Mexico, straight up. Oh my God, Shorty coming to my room. And straight up, I got Shorty on delivery. If you come out here, the ladies will show you a good ass motherfucking time, I promise you. They love us. They love us, American black men out here. No cap. Steak quesadilla with everything. Treat you good. Steak quesadilla. Everything. We eating good today in the hood. Eating good today in the hood. Los Algodones, baby. Service is A1 out here. A1 with the service. So we in the upscale today. Just went to the hood to get some food, but now we in the upscale. Muñeca linda. I know, crazy negrito. Let's go, baby. Let's get it cracking. It's time to get it cracking. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Viva la Mexico, baby. How do you say girlfriend? Novia. My novia. Novio. Novio negrito. Novio negrito. Novia muñeca. Nothing but a good time in Mexico. Viva la Mexico, baby. Romantico. Negrito romantico. Romantico negrito. You know, having fun, baby. Always a good time in Mexico. If you never got treated like a star before, you will get treated like a star. No problem. I'm telling you, the ladies love you out here. They fucking love your chocolate skin. All you black men, they love your chocolate fucking skin. They kept telling me this shit over and over. And if you got muscles, oh my God, it's a wrap. They're gonna be rubbing all over you. I promise you, just walking down the street. I didn't crack like 3 baddies. All right, just walking down the street. And I had a baddie all night long last night for 7 hours. All right, she stayed all fucking night with me. So it's cracking like that. The love is real out here. We got a lot of love for Americans out here. So know that, my goons. You will get treated like a fucking king out here. If you never got king treatment before, this is the place to go. So you can experience king treatment, and it's gonna make you think differently. So when you out in USA, you're not gonna tolerate no bullshit. So if it ain't king treatment, I'm not fucking with it. And this is the kind of place that'll help you realize your value, man, as a human being. Don't let nobody treat you like a motherfucking second-class citizen. Nobody. And no bitch, no dude, nobody. Bet, the ATM works. Had to go to a different ATM, but it's all good. Booking a room for another day. So I gotta go pay in cash. I'm in the low-cost hotel. So they only take cash. Everybody in town says this is one of the most professional spots in the whole town. That's why I went here. You gotta go where the locals go, straight up. That's game right there. International edition. I love it. Where we gonna go next, my goons? Where we going next, my goons? What's happening? Where we going next? Look, even the motherfucking water tower has Corona on it. You feel me? They know how to party out here in Mexico. There goes the strip club, Green Door. I didn't go to that one, but I went to Hawaii last night. But I might check out Green Door today. Check out Green Door today, see what's happening in the Green Door. Be a motherfucking tourist, you gotta do it all, you feel me? I don't think I'm gonna do no machine gun shooting this time. I found out that shit is illegal, but motherfuckers will take you in the cut and you can shoot machine guns. They're off in the hills and shit. But that's some like underground shit, cause that shit is illegal. But I'm telling you, whatever you want out here. Motherfucker was just telling me he just sold a ball of cocaine to some motherfuckers right here. Yeah, I got a 20 bag of weed. You feel me? Everything cool out here, man. What's up, Victor, man?
Good to see you again.
I remember you.
What do you mean? How you been?
Everything is Gucci. Everything is muy bien.
What do you need?
Shit. There's the bomb shrimp tacos right here. Lupitias. Shrimp tacos. Shrimp.
That's it.
Add your own toppings. About to hit that dinner up. Gotta eat before I go. Shrimp tacos, fish tacos. The food is amazing. The food is amazing. Yeah. Bone graft. Just got a bone graft my guns all up in my lower quadrant right here. I was supposed to get my half mouth. But it's all good. I can feel all the fucking bone back already. I just left the fucking dentist right now. That shit was painless, man. Like, and I could feel it. I could feel it like the shit. It just feels like there's stuff there where there wasn't. So I could already feel it. It feels different from the other 3/4 of my mouth. So that's what's up. Bone graft. It was $500 per quadrant. So it's $2,000 for a full mouth. But that would be hitting for like a couple $1,000s more. 5,000, 6,000 in USA. And I got another teeth cleaning too. That's what's happening out here in Los Algodones, baby. So, viva la Mexico, baby. It's all love out here, man. Got me a room for a couple more hours. Train is at 11. And my room's next to the border. So, there goes that wall art with the ass. See, it's like a sexual town, you feel me? They love beauty out here. Straight like that, so. I'm about to go give me a smoothie or something. Might go bump into a shorty or something. Actually, I'm about to go link up with a shorty right now. I just met a shorty. I cracked a shorty last night. I just bumped into her, walking to the dentist. I told her I'm gonna go see her when I'm done. I'm about to go pull up on a shorty right now. Say what's up. You can build your roster up of ladies real quick out here. I swear to God. You can build your roster up of ladies so fast out here because there's a lot of ladies out here and they love chocolate negritos from USA. Straight like that. And if you got a fit body, it's just easy money. Easy money. You got a fit body. I promise you. Bomb. Actually, not mango. Excuse me. I had kiwi last time. This time it's mango. Mango smoothies off the hook. We in the hood, you know. Baja, California. What up? All my goons, one love, worldwide, God bless. I rock with you. The international edition. Appreciate you fucking with me. Spontaneous Productions. I fuck with you, you fuck with me. You know what time it is. We all family. Let's go. International Goon Game. Dental work, 70% off. This got a motherfucking bone graft. Just cut my gums open, put motherfucking bone back, put bone in it, sew that shit back up, and real quick in an hour. That shit feels amazing. It's a little bit numb, but shit, I got a happy mouth, straight up. Like the motherfucking sign say, happy mouth. Making friends everywhere I go, baby. Yo, it's all love out here, man. Like, don't let the news fool you. Don't let society tell you otherwise. Like, it's love out here. Trust me, I'm on the ground with the motherfucking locals, motherfuckers who've been here for years. People who grew up here, people who just moved here for 10 years, all that. They say it's the safest place. It's one of the safest places in Mexico. They have people that's up to no good, you know. They got goons out here straight thugging. But for the most part, nah, they keep this shit safe. Border right there, police station right there. You feel me? So like, it's a money town. It's all money. All money in. All money in this town, baby. So I'm not about to fuck that up. So they love Americans, man. Come out here, you're gonna get a good time, I promise you. The ladies gonna treat you good. The goons in the street, they're gonna treat you good. Whatever you want. They tell you all day long, whatever you want, we're gonna help you get it. No cap. No cap. I even got an extra bonus service at my dentist. They give me a free service extra. You know what I mean? So, shit like that. Everybody should come out here, man. Have a good time, man. Enjoy life in Los Algodones, Mexico, baby. Straight, you heard it straight here first. I'm an American from California. This is my second time out here. Staying right here. So I'm staying there for 2 days. Very nice place. They go to border right there. Trump talking about build a wall. Look, the motherfucking wall right there. Look, the wall's already built. That's the border right there. You feel me? The wall's already built. Straight like that. So the wall's already here. So all that, build a wall, the wall's already here. Here goes my hotel right here. Straight like that. So the wall's already built though. It's right there. That wall been built. Trump be talking crazy. International edition. We're in effect today, baby. Hotel Del Alfonso. Knocking down Muñeca Lindas in this motherfucker. That gonna be knocking them down, boy. I tell you. Viva la Mexico. They love the goon. Man, they love the goon. I love the Latinas, yo. Straight up. No cap. I love y'all American girls too, but man, them Latinas. Motherfucking service with a smile. Service is unmatched. Straight up. If I ever get a wifey, man, chances are high she about to be foreign than a motherfucker. The service is just unmatched. Let's get in my goons. Let's go. Spontaneous Productions. I'm about to hit the room. Exit. Get up out of here. It's time to get out of here, baby. Viva la Mexico, baby. One love. All my Los Algodones people. Muchos gracias. Mi corazón. Straight like that. Crazy love in Los Algodones. That shit was popping. Straight like that. 5 stars. They treat you like you just matter more than anybody else in the world. And that's the type of service that you gotta expect to get everywhere you go. Straight like that. So yo, no cap, we out of here. Spontaneous Production. We gotta get a motherfucking taxi and get up out of here, man. Border closes at 10, it's 9:30. Straight up, so let's get up out of here. Train at midnight.